Hello, my friend. Have you feel overwhelmed, tired, frustrated? Sometimes you wonder, why is it that I'm struggling in my marriage? I try to move forward and it seems like life just knocked me 2-3 steps backward. I feel on again, off again, up, down, over, under. I can't seem to create a rhythm. You and your spouse doesn't seem to have it all figured out. What if I tell you that that's a part of the process? But the question is, when you are in that space, in that mode, in that rhythm, in that mentality, what do you do about it? That's the key. Are you just sucking it up, or are you allowing God to come in and lead you and guide you? Are you seeking help? Are you reading? Are you elevating your mind? Because your marriage is going to go through the ups and downs, the ebbs and flow of life. You know, I have this knot here as a demonstration to you. You see, the blue and the white is the wife holding on to her husband, and the black is the husband holding on to his wife. But you see, the gap right here is where the devil wants to come in and separate you and your spouse from getting close enough to build the kind of marriage that is not easily broken. And here's the reality, my friend. He cannot destroy the marital vows because those vows are unto God. But he can separate you. He can create chaos in your relationship where you don't feel close, you don't feel connected, you don't feel in love, you don't feel the synergy and the chemistry. That's what he's good at, distraction. But your job is to close this gap so that the both knot can come together to create a rhythm, so that you can synchronize together, flow together to create the marriage you want. So how do you do that? First, you have to have a strong relationship with God. You're getting closer. Then you have to work on yourself. You have to build yourself. Deal with the childhood trauma. Deal with the scars from your past. Deal with anything that is separating you from the marriage you want. You're getting closer. Learn how to become a better communicator with your spouse. You're getting closer. Work on your friendship. You're getting closer. Learn how to manage your finances and your money. You're getting closer. Learn exactly how to build each other up. You're getting closer. You learn how to deal with conflicts. You're getting closer. You work on yourself. Health and wellness. You're getting closer. Yes. You learn how to reset, go on date nights and have fun together. You deal with issues, you pray together. You have great intention of making the marriage work. You're getting closer. And when the both of you guys come together as one, Ecclesiastes chapter 4 and verse 12, it tells us that the cord of 3 strands is not easily broken. And when you and your spouse are bonded together, fused together, when the weight of life, when the pressure of life, when the vicissitude of life, the ins, the out, the up, the downs of life, when the weight come against the both of you, because you are anchored in God, you are anchored in the one who created you, you're anchored in the principles and the love of God. Guess what? God covers the marriage and you are not easily broken. And so the outside entity may come against the both of you, but because you are connected, because you are fused together, because you are one, the enemy cannot destroy what God is protecting. The enemy cannot destroy what God is covering. The enemy cannot destroy what God ordained. So if you're frustrated in your marriage right now, I want to ask you a question. Who is at the center? Who is at the core? Who is holding this marriage together? Who is building this marriage? Who is it that is pretty much keeping this relationship? Because if you're relying on your friends and your pastors alone, and you're relying on social media content creators alone, you have already lost, my friend. Because the Bible tells us, except the Lord build the house, the laborers laboreth in vain that builds it. Except the Lord watch the city, the watchman watcheth in vain. Only God can really restore a broken marriage. Do you realize that you're protected by God? This is true divine coverage. No man can provide that for you. I want you to watch this. Because of the weight that I put on these knots, when I try to move it apart, do you see how hard it is to move it apart? Do you see that? Look how easy it is for me to slide it. Loosen the knot, loosen the knot, Look, but when I put weight on it, when I fight for it, when I struggle and I go through it together with God or with my spouse, and I trust God in it, watch this. Your marriage gets stronger under pressure. Your marriage is a diamond in the rough, but you gotta trust God. This is the season when you need to really trust God and let Him have His way in your life and in your marriage. I'm so excited to teach this because, you see, in our coaching program, our Marriage Makeover Coaching Program, we teach the grace framework, the grace principle. I know that thing worked, my friend. I know it worked. And if you want to learn more about what we teach, there's a free training. The link is in the bio. Go and check it out. Click it, watch it. It's free. 25 minutes of teaching and training. It's going to change your life. Because your marriage is not easily broken. Thank you so much for watching this great demonstration. I hope your marriage is stronger together with